Hello, mathematicians. Okay, so we are going to start working on some subtraction of three-digit numbers. Now, the first thing I want you to stop and think about is the fact that if you know addition, you really do know of subtraction because it's just the opposite of addition, right? So if I said that 8, let's just do one together. If I said that 5 plus 3 equals 8, what is the subtraction problem that goes with that? What's the subtraction that goes with it? There's actually two, right? 8 minus 5 equals 3. Or 8 minus 3 equals 5, right? So if you know addition, you really do know subtraction. So first of all, get that all in your brain, okay? Now, we're going to talk about some Pokemon cards. Okay, Kelton, my friend, has 368 Pokemon cards, okay? And my friend Olivia has 243 Pokemon cards. First of all, who has more Pokemon cards? If you said Kelton, you would be correct. And what did you do when you looked at those numbers? 368, you decided, well, we all decided it's bigger than 200, greater than 243, right? And all I had to do is look at the number that's in my hundreds spot, and that digit was the one that told me which one was bigger. So easy, right? Okay, so far so good. Now, the next part of this question, we want to know how many more cards does Kelton have than Olivia? I'm going to teach you this way today. Tomorrow we'll do it another way, and then we'll just keep on playing and see what works in your brain, okay? So, here we go. We've got Kelton with 368, Olivia with 243. My columns are all lined up. This one is really pretty easy because you don't have to regroup anything. Everything is going to work like it's in the line, okay? Here's what I mean. You can have, if you have 8 cookies and you take away 3, how many cookies are left? It's that turnaround fact we just did, right? 5, okay? 6 minus 4 equals, put 6 in your head, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then 3 minus 1, if I have 3, and where am I? 3. I'm sorry, 3 minus 2. 3. Take away 1, 2. How many do I have left? Just 1. So my answer is Kelton has 125 more cards than Olivia does. Okay? Now, why did I go ahead and line those numbers up like that for you? It's really important that you keep your numbers in a line. You've got to make sure all your ones are lined up, your tens are lined up, and your hundreds are lined up, or else you're going to get yourself in some problems, and you don't want to do that. Okay? Let's try another one. Okay, let's see. How about Sadie? Sadie has 379 stickers. 379 stickers. And her stickers are animals. Okay? They are all different kinds of animal stickers. I'm writing and talking at the same time. So she has 379 stickers that are animals, okay? And then, let's see, 258 stickers. Those belong to Blake. Okay, so Blake's got some stickers too. His are plants. They are plant and flower stickers, okay? So he's got some trees and some flowers. He's got some really cool stickers. Take a look. Who has more stickers? So this is Sadie. I'm going to write little bitty because I didn't leave myself a lot of room. And this is Blake. Okay, so Sadie, who has more stickers? Sadie has 379. Blake has 258. Sadie has more, right? And it worked the same way because I could look at my digit that's in the hundreds place and know that 3 is bigger than 2, right? Greater than. 379 greater than 258. The large side of the sign goes to the bigger number. The alligator eats the bigger number, okay? So far so good. Okay, now, how many more? How many more? Let's do this one exactly the same way we did the last one. 379 minus 258. Okay, so let me open up my red. I'm just making these lines so that we can always remember how important it is to line up our ones, our tens, our hundreds. We've got to line them up or you're going to find yourself mixing things up, and you don't want to do that. All right, if you have 9 and you take away 8, how many are left? And guys, if that's tricky, do this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have 9 and you take away 8, take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? Just 1, right? If you have 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you take away 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't do my math right. Let's try that again. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There, that looks better. And then you take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have how many left? 2. Don't need to do that for this one. I have 3, right? Well, let's do it. We're on a roll. I have 3. I take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1. Okay. If you need that, don't do it if you don't need it. It's just to help if some of you need it. Okay. So 121. Sadie has 121 more stickers than Blake does. Okay. Okay. Now, what if that's hard for you? What if that you are like, I'm Miss Dana, that's tricky. I don't get it. I'm going to leave that problem on here. Look what I can do. Just like we did last week when we were adding, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw my number 100, 200, 379. So 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so there's my number 379. And then I'm going to make this number 200. How many tens in this number? 205 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Whew. Now I'm going to get a different color because watch how fun this is. This is kind of fun when you do it this way. Now I just have to start crossing off the things that are the same. Here's what I mean. I have 200s here. I have 200s up there. Cross that one off, cross that one off, cross that one off, cross that one off. They are the same. I can't cross him off because there's not one down here. How many tens do I have up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 5 tens down here. So I can cross off 5 tens because I have 5 in both places, right? And then when I get down to my ones, look at my ones. I can cross off all except for this guy because he doesn't have a partner down there. So I got to cross off all of that. Now watch. All I have to do is count everything that's left. There's 100. I have 1, 2 tens. And I have 1, 1. Woo, thank goodness we got the same answer twice. Okay, so you can do it either way. They're both going to work. You're both going to get to that answer. Today I'm going to have you do some subtraction problems for me. I think I'm going to put them over on Seesaw. So you can just go over to Seesaw and I will give you some subtraction problems. I just want to see what your brains are thinking. You can do them like I did on a whiteboard. You can do them on paper. If you do them on a whiteboard, make sure I can read them. Some of you turned in your work and it was really hard for me to see what went with what. So it might be easier to do it on paper and then just take pictures of it that way. Whatever's easiest for you. I'm only going to give you about 3 of them. Once you do those 3, then you can go over to iReady and play some games. Okay? All right. Have a good day, guys. Bye.